Hello everyone and welcome to this Gate.io tutorial. In this video I will show you how to withdraw your money from Gate.io to any other crypto exchange. In contrary to most other crypto exchanges like Binance, kucoin and Coinbase, you can't withdraw money directly from Gate.io. That's why you need to have at least one wallet that's not located on this exchange. I myself do have a Binance account, which I will be using in this video. But what I'm about to show you will also work if you have an account at Coinbase, kucoin or basically any other crypto exchange. So, the first thing you need to do is to log in on both of the exchanges. Once you're logged in on both of the exchanges, go over to Gate.io. Then go over to the wallet section in the top right and click on the withdrawal button. You will then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. On this page, the first thing you need to do is to select the coin you want to withdraw from Gate.io. To select the coin, click on the drop down arrow. I will search Algo since that's the coin I want to withdraw, but if you want to withdraw a coin like Ethereum or Bitcoin, make sure to search for that coin. If you have selected the coin you want to withdraw, the next thing you need to do is to select the chain you want to use for your withdrawal. If you're transferring Algo, there will be only one chain available. But if you're not transferring Algo, I recommend you do a quick Google search. Once you have selected the chain, you will then see the available amount of coins and your daily withdrawal limit. The next thing you need to do is to fill in the address you want to withdraw to. If you don't know how to find your withdrawal address, I will show you how to find it right now. To find your address, go over to the other exchange. Now you need to look for a button called Deposit. In most cases, this button is located below the wallet section. On Binance, you need to go over to Wallet and then click on Find and Spot. Then go over to the top right and click on the Deposit button. On this page, you will need to select the coin you want to deposit. Always double check if the address you're selecting belongs to the right coin, because if you're transferring your cryptocurrencies to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. So, select the same coin you're selecting on Gate.io. Then copy the address and go back over to Gate.io. On this page, you need to copy-paste your address. You can also give your address a name. By doing so, Gate.io will remember your address. So, the next time you are transferring crypto from this exchange, you will be able to easily select your address by using the address book. Since I'm transferring Algorand from Gate.io to my Binance account, I will name this address Binance Algo. Now you will need to fill in the amount of coins you want to withdraw from Gate.io. Once you have filled in the amount of coins you want to withdraw, the next thing you need to do is to fill in your fund password. After you have filled in your fund password, the next thing you need to do is to go through the verification process. Once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, click on Submit Request. How long it takes for your coin to be transferred from Gate.io depends on which coin you transferred. If this tutorial helped you out, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more crypto tutorials.